Students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 4th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 4, Small Rabbit and the Spinach. Small Rabbit and the Spinach. Would you like to eat? What are the things which you have to eat every day although you do not like them? Now read this interesting story about a little rabbit who wanted to have his own way. Who wanted to have his own way. This is the story about the little rabbit. Let's read. Now eat up your carrot at once, scolded Mother Rabbit. Shan't, don't want it, said Small Rabbit. Tired of carrot, want spinach instead. So now eat up your carrot at once, scolded Mother Rabbit. Mother Rabbit is scolding to his baby rabbit. Eat the carrot at once. You eat your carrot. Mother Rabbit is scolding. Shan't, don't want it, said Small Rabbit. So, Small Rabbit saying that I don't want to eat rabbit. Here, Mother Rabbit is scolding to Small Rabbit, eat the carrot. But the Small Rabbit is saying that I don't want to eat the carrot. Tired of carrot. I am very much tired of carrot. So, instead of carrot, I want the spinach. I want to eat the spinach. Now, please, said his mother, trying to coax him. But Father Rabbit frowned as he said, now, please, said his mother. So, Small Rabbit don't want to eat the carrot. So, he want to eat the spinach. Instead of carrot, he want to eat the spinach. So, Mother Rabbit said, now please eat this carrot. Started, said his mother trying to coax him. Coax means urge someone to do something. Urge someone to do something. Trying to coax him. But Father Rabbit frowned. As he said, frowned means moved the eyebrows down and closer when annoyed. Moved the eyebrows when down and closer when annoyed. If Small Rabbit is too fuzzy to eat his carrot, then let him set out to find his own spinach. So now Father Rabbit is angry because he was not eating the carrot. So Father Rabbit told that if he don't want to eat the carrot, so let him find out his own spinach. In any case, it's time that he learned to look after himself. Now it's time that he learned to look after himself, said by the Father Rabbit. Small Rabbit threw down his carrot and scampered away. Small Rabbit threw his carrot. Small Rabbit threw his carrot down and scampered away. Scampered means ran off angrily. Ran off angrily. Spinach and cabbage, he sang to himself as he ran past the thorn trees that grew near his home. Oh fresh green, oh juicy spinach. Now, Small Rabbit threw the carrot down and scampered away. Spinach and cabbage, he sang to himself. He singing to himself. Spinach and cabbage. He ran past through the trees grown near his home. Now he was searching for a spinach or a cabbage for the food. So he ran through the trees that grow near his home. Oh fresh, green, oh juicy spinach, he sang to himself. He looked at the tufty grass for parsley. He looked among the sweet potatoes. He searched here and he searched there, but no one leaf could he find. Now he looked at the grass. He looked among the sweet potatoes. He searched here and there, but no one leaf of spinach he could find there. I am hungry, he said, terribly hungry. Oh, look, there's Monkey, and he's eating his dinner. I am hungry. Now small rabbit was hungry, he said. He was terribly hungry. He was so much angry. Oh, look, there Monkey had, and he is eating his dinner. See. Oh, look there Monkey is eating his dinner. Monkey was eating a banana. Monkey was eating a banana. I suppose you haven't seen any spinach around, sighed Small Rabbit. I suppose you not have seen any spinach around here and there, asked by the small rabbit. Sighed Small Rabbit. Sighed means breathed heavily to show sadness. Breathed heavily to show sadness. He asked to Monkey, you have seen here around you have seen spinach? Asked by the small rabbit to the monkey. Spinach, said Big Monkey. What spinach? I eat bananas for dinner. There you can have one. Spinach, said Monkey. What now? Rabbit is asking for the spinach. You have seen around the spinach? But Monkey said, Spinach? What the spinach? What is spinach? I eat bananas. I only eat bananas for my dinner. There you can have one. So Monkey is offering to the rabbit, you can eat one banana. Oh, kind big monkey, cried Small Rabbit, and he bit into the banana, skin and all. He spat it out. Ouch, that's terrible. Silly rabbit, Monkey scolded. Oh, kind big monkey. So now what the rabbit is crying. Oh, what a kind big monkey, cried Small Rabbit. Now Rabbit is crying. Oh, kind big monkey, and he bit into the banana skin and all. Now he bit the banana, the skin, and he spat out, and his rabbit is telling, Huge, that's terrible. It's not a nice, that's a terrible. Silly rabbit, Monkey scolded. You ought to have peeled it. He peeled and ate a banana. Silly rabbit. Now Monkey scolded him. You ought to have peeled it. He peeled and ate the banana. So we have to first peel the banana, scolded the monkey. To the rabbit, you have to peel the banana, then you have to eat the banana, scolded the monkey. I will do that next time, said Small Rabbit. So what the rabbit said, I will do it next time, though I'll rather eat spinach, of course. And off you went on his search for spinach. So Small Rabbit told, I will do that next time. Now again he went on his search for spinach. He looked among the rocks and peered into a ditch, but no one leaf could he find. Now he was finding here and there. He was finding here and there in the rocks. He was peeped into a ditch, but not the one of leaf he find. One of the leaf could he find. I am hungry, he said terribly. Dreadfully hungry. Why, there is Peacock, and here is eating his dinner. Peacock was eating a worm. So I am hungry. So now the rabbit don't find the spinach. He could not find leaf. So he could not find a leaf of a spinach. So Small Rabbit was very much hungry. He said terribly, dreadfully hungry. Why, there is Peacock eating his dinner. There Peacock was eating his dinner. They are having their dinner. Peacock was eating a worm. I suppose you haven't seen any spinach, sighed Small Rabbit. Now, with a sad face, with a crying face, now Small Rabbit asking to the Peacock, have you seen any spinach here? Spinach? What spinach? Said Peacock. I eat worms for dinner. Here you can have one. Spinach. So now Peacock said to the rabbit, spinach. What spinach? We don't know about spinach. We eat only the worms for dinner. Here you can also have one worm. Small rabbit remembered the banana. He tried to hold the worm and look for its skin. Now the small rabbit remembered the banana that have offered by the monkey. So he tried to hold the worm and look for the its skin. Now small rabbit hold the worm and look for its skin. The worm darted its head upwards. What the worm do? Darted his head. Darted means made a sudden quick movement. Small rabbit squealed ee and jumped back just in time. Now small rabbit squealed and said ee and moved, jumped back just in time. So students, lesson small rabbit and the spinach we will continue in our next class. So write all the keywords from the lesson small rabbit and the spinach, page number 28 and 29. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.